Hello everybody, I wanted to come by and share with you my thoughts on Beauty Creations Beauty, it says Flawless Stay Concealer Sponge, but it's by Beauty Creations. That's what I was trying to say in the beginning. Beauty Creations Beauty Blender. Okay, it's, look at that, pretty, oh, cream color. I like this color, it's pretty. Yeah. Okay. Beauty Creations Beauty Blender. So yeah, your blender should clean easily as well. That's another characteristic that a good beauty blender should have. It should be flexible and bend easily to distribute your product evenly. And that's what this does. It's very good by Beauty Creations, guys. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Bye-bye.